Welcome back, all my favorite realtors. So today I want to talk to you about drip campaigns. Either you love them, you hate them, you pay people to build them out for you because you want nothing to do with them. So today I'm going to talk to you about kvCore's default drip campaigns that already come in kvCore. So when you log into your kvCore account, you want to come over to All Marketing. Then you're going to come over to your Smart Campaigns. And here you're going to find your campaigns that you've already built out, kvCore library, and templates. So in the kvCore library, these are all set up for you. You can look through them all, see which one you want to start with, buyer, seller, sphere. They're all here. So right here are the touches that you want to pay attention to, and you also want to pay attention to if it's an email, text, a task only. So with task, all this is, the system is telling you to, hey, call this person, hey, email this person. So it's just telling you to do something. So we have one down here. We have a default new buyer that have 43 contacts. So what it's going to do, it's going to send you a task, which is, hey, you need to do this, a connect call, and that is a call from your smartphone number. And it's going to call you and let you know, it's going to connect you to the lead, or you can decide to schedule a task. Instead of connecting right away to the lead, it's going to send you an email, text, and a reminder to call regularly. So you want to just add that to your library. So I already put it in mine. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And right here, it's going to show up. And so right here is the name. You can edit it. You can leave it the same. I'm just going to leave it like this for now because it's just showing you how to do this. So the very first thing that's going to happen immediately when the lead comes in is a task. And it's right here, from system to agent. And you can click on edit to see what it is. This is buyer's first interaction, so it's telling you to send a text or email with properties in their area. So that's just a task. That's what it's telling you to do something. And then immediately it's telling you to call and leave a voicemail. So again, that's system to the agent, which is a task. So right here, we have 7 minutes in. We have a text message. Agent to contact. So you can click on edit to see what it's saying. So this is the text that's going to go out. Hi, thanks for requesting property info on our site. Just curious, are you actively searching for a property or just browsing right now? And then agent first name. So this is important because you want to always end a text or an email with a question, and keep it very simple because the buyer can only focus on one question at a time. So don't send out multiple questions. And this is very relevant text going out because it's saying, hey, are you just browsing right now? So it's leaving that question for them to answer. You can always change this if you want, but if not, go ahead and just click out of that. So on day 1, we have an email going out from agent to the contact. So you click on that, you can see what it is, and it shows you a little example about what's gonna be in the email. Again, you can keep it, change it, whatever you want. If you want it to look prettier, more like a newsletter, click on Advanced Editor, and here is where you can drop and drag things. So if you want to put a button in, and in that button, you can put a URL of where you want it to go. So if you have a featured listing, you could put the URL to that listing right here. And you can change that. Instead of saying button, you can change it to say, click here. Oops. Or whatever you want it to say. You can drop in images, you can put your socials, you can put a video, whatever you want to do, you can do it. And then you're just going to hit save template and it's going to save in there. Then we go to day 2. Again, it's a task. So it's the system telling you to do something. And then day 2, it also has a text going out. You can change that however you want. So we have all the way up to day 720. So go through all of these, make them sound like you as much as possible. And again, remember, you can make the emails a lot prettier. You can change the text in the text template that's going out. If you found this information helpful, as always, please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm always here to help. And until our next training, check out my other tips and tricks in kvCore. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next training.